welcome to my YouTube channel. If you see this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Please. So, now I have the 3 nails, and it was a clip, but because I'm just a poor girl, but I have this content because I have a TikTok like the Nabatita. So, check my YouTube channel to see that video and dance. So first, let me exercise you. It is so first I have this light, and it's low but it's lighting. Oh yeah, right there. About this. Oh. Second, this is a mirror. You can see yourself in it. And this is a perfume. You're not smelly now, but you're not smelly, I think. Oh, my nails. If you follow me, this will be yours. And I have some codes in here. Yes. You can try it when you follow me. I will give this free when you follow.